So this is gonna be a pizza with chapati. Okay, so in order to get started, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some ghee and add that to our lovely pan. And this is just melted butter, and it's the equivalent of, well, melted butter being additionally melted. So we're gonna wait. Okay. And while that's working, go ahead and grease the pan so that the chapati doesn't stick. Good. That is good. Oh, and the camera is blurry. Put chapati on, and we wait. Okay, so our chapati is now golden brown, and so I'm gonna bring it over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some tomato sauce on here, organic. This is from Whole Foods. And yeah, I'm gonna coat it on there, and I'll let you know when I'm done. Apparently the tomato sauce was rotten, so we're making a quesadilla now. And this is Parmesan cheese, and I'm not the hugest fan of jalapenos, but I added some jalapenos. So now, and you can also add bell peppers. So, and after that I'm gonna put this in the microwave for around 30 seconds or so, and then it'll melt. So. Okay, so I decided to add some bell peppers and pineapples as well. So what you're gonna do now is you can either fold it or you can put another chapati on top of it, but I'm just gonna fold it. And yeah, you should typically put the half side in and then fold it, or else it's gonna become overloaded, which is a mistake that I made. But you don't have to make that mistake. Okay, so now you're gonna fold it, and you're gonna put it in the microwave for about 30-40 seconds or so. Okay, so let's get that in there. Perfect. It's already starting to ooze out, and it'll kind of close up. So let's cook this for about, say, let's go for, actually, Parmesan cheese is a lot thinner, so let's do 35 as a starting point, and then we'll see where that takes us. This is what it looks like. So you can see all that cheese is melted on the inside. And if you really want to make it look pretty, just take a pizza cutter and do your stuff. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Okay, so this is the finished product. And thanks so much for watching.